Hello, math enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special episode filled with math hacks and quick tricks for mental calculation. Are you ready to become a math wizard? Let's dive right in. Have you ever struggled with complex math calculations? Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll share some amazing math hacks that will help you perform mental calculations faster and more accurately. Let's get started. Hack 1. Multiplying numbers ending in 5. Our first math hack is a super handy trick for multiplying numbers that end in 5. Let's say we want to multiply 35 by 45. Instead of going through the traditional multiplication method, we can simplify it using this trick. Here's how it works. Step 1. Take the first number, 35, and multiply it by the number obtained by adding 1 to itself. 35 plus 1 equals 36. So, 35 multiplied by 36 is 1260. This gives us the first part of the answer. Step 2. Take the second number, 45, and multiply it by 10. This gives us 450. This gives us the second part of the answer. Step 3. Finally, we'll add the two results together, 1260 plus 450, which equals 1710. And there you have it. The product of 35 and 45 is 1710. By following this simple pattern, you'll be able to multiply numbers ending in 5 quickly and effortlessly. It's a real time saver, especially in exams or situations where you need to calculate on the spot. Hack 2. Squaring numbers ending in 5. Now, let's move on to our second math hack, squaring numbers ending in 5. Squaring can be time consuming, but with this trick, you'll be able to do it mentally in no time. Let's take a look. To square a number that ends in 5, we'll use a simple pattern. Let's say we want to find the square of 25. Here's what you do. Step 1. Take the first digit of the number, 2, and multiply it by the next consecutive number. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Step 2. Write down the product, 6, followed by 25. So, the result will be 625. That's it. The square of 25 is 625. Let's try another example. What is the square of 45? Using the same pattern. Step 1. Take the first digit, 4, and multiply it by the next consecutive number. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So, 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Step 2. Write down the product, 20 followed by 25. So, the result will be 2025. Therefore, the square of 45 is 2025. Amazing, isn't it? By following this simple pattern, you can quickly find the square of any number that ends in 5. It works for larger numbers too. Just remember to multiply the first digit by the next consecutive number and write down the product followed by 25. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Grab a pen and paper, and test your mental math skills by squaring numbers that end in 5. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can calculate squares using this trick. This trick is so effective because it takes advantage of the pattern formed when you square numbers ending in 5. Hack 3. The magic of 9. Next up, we have a fascinating hack that revolves around the number 9. It's known as the magic of 9. Get ready to see some mind-blowing calculations unfold. The magic of 9 is a simple technique that allows you to find the sum of digits, the product of digits, and even check for divisibility by 9, all in a matter of seconds. Let's take a look. Sum of digits. To find the sum of digits of a number, all you need to do is add up each individual digit until you get a single-digit result. If the sum is a 2-digit number, repeat the process until you have a single-digit sum. Example 1 to 745. Let's say we have the number 745. To find the sum of its digits, we add 7 plus 4 plus 5, which gives us 16. Since 16 is a 2-digit number, we repeat the process. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Therefore, the sum of the digits of 745 is 7. Example 2 to 1234. Now, let's take a larger number like 1234. Adding the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 gives us 10. Since 10 is a 2-digit number, we repeat the process. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Hence, the sum of the digits of 1234 is 1. This method works for any number, no matter how large or small. It's a quick way to find the sum of digits without the need for lengthy calculations. Product of digits. Similar to finding the sum, You can also find the product of digits using the magic of 9. To do this, simply multiply each digit together. Example: 482. Let's take the number 482. To find the product of its digits, we multiply 4 by 8 by 2, which gives us 64. Therefore, the product of the digits of 482 is 64. Remember, this trick works for any number and can be especially useful when dealing with multiplication problems. Divisibility by 9. Lastly, the magic of 9 allows you to check if a number is divisible by 9 without performing the actual division. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the original number is also divisible by 9. Example: 918. Let's take the number 918. By finding the sum of its digits, 9 plus 1 plus 8, we get 18. Since 18 is divisible by 9, we can conclude that 918 is divisible by 9 as well. This divisibility rule can be handy when you want to quickly check if a number is divisible by 9 without having to perform the division operation. The magic of 9 is a simple technique that allows you to find the sum of digits, the product of digits, and even check for divisibility by 9, all in a matter of seconds. It's a trick that will leave your friends amazed. Hack 4. Simplifying percentages. Our final math hack for today is all about simplifying percentages. Whether you're calculating discounts, tips, or percentage changes, this trick will make your life much easier. Let's see how it works. Explanation. To simplify percentages, we need to understand the concept of equivalent fractions. Remember that a percentage is simply a fraction out of 100. So, if we can find an equivalent fraction that is easier to work with, it can simplify our calculations. Let's take an example. Suppose you want to find 25% of 80. Instead of dealing with the percentage directly, we can convert it into a fraction that is easier to work with. Since 25% means 25 out of 100, we can write it as 25 100ths. Now, here's where the trick comes in. We can simplify this fraction by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by a common factor. In this case, both 25 and 100 can be divided by 25. When we simplify the fraction, we get 1/4. So, 25% of 80 is equivalent to 1/4 of 80, which is 20. Demonstration. Let's try another example. Suppose you want to find 15% of 200. Again, we can convert it into a fraction by writing it as 15 100ths. Now, let's simplify this fraction. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 5, we get 3/20ths. So, 15% of 200 is equivalent to 3/20ths of 200, which is 30. By simplifying percentages in this way, you can quickly calculate the results mentally, without the need for complex calculations. Here are a few tips to remember when using this hack. 1. Look for common factors. Try to find common factors between the numerator and the denominator of the fraction to simplify it further. 2. Practice mental math. Strengthen your mental math skills to quickly divide and simplify fractions mentally. 3. Round numbers if needed. If the fraction doesn't simplify easily, round the numbers to approximate the result. Remember, with this percentage trick, you'll be able to mentally calculate percentages with lightning speed. It's a fantastic tool to have in your mathematical arsenal. And there you have it, math wizards. We've shared some incredible math hacks and quick tricks for mental calculation. With these techniques, you'll be able to solve math problems faster, impress your friends, and gain a deeper understanding of numbers. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead, give these hacks a try, and watch your mental math skills soar to new heights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest math hacks and educational content. Until next time, keep calculating and keep learning. See you soon.